To download Minecraft, go to the official Minecraft website or your device's App Store, Microsoft Store, Google Play, Apple App Store, Console Store. Purchase the game, if you haven't already, and install the Minecraft launcher for PC/Mac or the game app directly. Then sign in with your Microsoft account to play. The launcher lets you switch between Java and Bedrock editions on PC. On PC/Mac, Windows, and Mac OS. This video shows you how to download Minecraft on your PC. Miniature to Video Simulator 02:26 Guide Realm YouTube 4/8/2024. Visit the official site. Go to minecraft.net/in-us/download. Get the launcher. Click Download to get the Minecraft launcher for your operating system, Windows/Mac. Install the launcher. Run the downloaded installer file and follow the on-screen instructions. Sign in/purchase. Open the launcher and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't own it, you'll be prompted to buy it. Install a version. Select either Java Edition or Bedrock Edition from the side menu and click Install, then Play.